First of all, you need a visibility plan in the strategic plan. That means that you have a visibility not only of your supply chain, but also your customs data. Through a customs control tower, you can own and manage not only the stakeholders of your supply chain, but also your own data. By that, you can use and reuse it, and you have your documentation in place. That will save you money. You also need a trusted trader strategy. You need to earn your trust and you need to keep your trust. You can do that today through digital tools, and you should connect that with the stakeholders of your supply chain and also your different geographies that you work from origin to destination. By doing that, you will reduce administrative costs and costs around borders. By having a free-flowing structure of your customs flow under control and managed digitally, you can also avoid other types of costs as unnecessary storage. You need a global HS classification strategy, because HS classification decides everything from delays at borders to the cost you pay, and we know that companies are overpaying 5 to 6%. That means that you can save money from day one, and you can be compliant and reduce your risks of unnecessary costs along the way. Finally, you need to have a global free trade agreement strategy, because that means that the free trade agreements are there to make a complicated world less complicated, simplified. But unfortunately, we know from studies that only 55 to 60% of free trade agreements are utilized. By having a strategy and utilizing fully what you can in simplifications, in different type of reducing of costs and opportunities, then you can save money from day one. So how can a strategic customs plan also help you reaching your sustainability goals? Through this series, we have explained how a strategic customs plan integrated to your supply chain management part actually reduces the lead times, bring down the cost, and also make the journey more resilient and predictable. That means that your border crossings will be more efficient. That will reduce your carbon footprint. That will reduce the waste of goods from delays. All of that together we measure today. That's part of a strategic customs plan on how it can support your sustainability journey. And as we all know, consumers look to who are the ones that actually are improving our planet and the environment. This is a small part of doing that. A strategic customs plan can help you together with that integrated overall journey end to end to become a better company, also when it comes to sustainability.